You.
Good girl.
Ow!
Stop. 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 Stop.
I want to see the picture again. Picture again.
Okay, hold on.
Stop.
Willie's a superstar.
What?
Are you getting me wet? I know it. I feel it.
Let
Look,
me show you.
look,
I want to see it.
look at Willie.
Oh, that's cool. He's got a hand.
Oh, oh my
Put
God.
him in gently. Gently.
Oh my goodness.
Good boy, Ralph.
Step. Big step.
Come here.
Good boy. Watch out, Lance, so he doesn't scratch you.
There you go.
Yeah. And then, honey, hold him underneath his belly and just secure him so that he feels secure. There.
There, I got you.
There you go. You know, kind of like how the Caesar does it. Lance, go away so he doesn't scratch you, honey. Okay? Watch out.
No.
I don't want Willie to scratch you.
Give me to the away.
We want to get him to a point where he doesn't have that terror in his eyes.
He likes swimming in the pool.
Oh, good boy.
Good boy.
Why did you?
You go that way, son.
Good boy. You see, he's calming already. A little bit better. Watch out, Lance.
Oh, he's cracking.
I know, that's why you need to stay away. No Lance. No Lance. Yeah? Well, not really, but...
This is good therapy for him.
Oh my
He's
goodness.
running.
Look at him.
Look.
He's running.
Good exercise.
He's
Look at his
exercising.
feet. Look at his feet.
His feet.
He's going like a champ.
He's
He's
can't.
going like this.
Yeah, look at him. I got this.